If you have spent even 5 minutes on social media over the last few years, you have seen them. A 20-something guy sitting in a penthouse in Dubai or Miami, staring at a laptop screen filled with flashing neon charts, claiming he just made $50,000 before breakfast by trading a random digital token. They tell you that the traditional financial system is a scam, that your savings account is a losing game, and that if you don't buy their favorite new coin right now, you are staying poor forever. It triggers the ultimate human emotion, the absolute fear of missing out. You watch normal people seemingly getting rich overnight, and you start to wonder if you're the idiot for working a normal job. But behind the laser eyes, the complex blockchain buzzwords, and the constant promises of becoming the 1%, lies one of the most predatory financial extraction machines ever invented. The reality is that 99% of these new crypto tokens don't fail by accident. They are mathematically engineered to collapse. They are designed from day one to transfer money directly from your bank account into the pockets of the creators. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the underground crypto bro ecosystem. We are stripping away the confusing technical jargon and breaking down the exact step-by-step math of how a token scam is created, pumped, and rug pulled. If you've ever thought about investing in a hype coin, you need to see this before you lose everything. To understand why so many crypto projects fail, you have to look at how a token is born. In the traditional stock market, if a company wants to launch an initial public offering, they have to go through months of intense audits by the SEC. They have to prove they have real revenue, real products, and real employees. In crypto, there are no rules. Anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can deploy a smart contract on networks like Solana or Ethereum in less than 60 seconds for a cost of about $10. Let's look at the basic architectural math. A creator launches a new token called Mooncoin. They decide, completely arbitrarily, that there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Initially, these tokens are worth exactly 0. To create the illusion of value, the creator sets up what is called a liquidity pool. They take $5,000 of their own money, put it into a decentralized exchange, and pair it with a fraction of their new tokens. Suddenly, because there is real money sitting in that pool, the token officially has a price. The creator still owns 95% of the total supply sitting in a private wallet. On paper, if the token hits just a fraction of a cent, the creator's ghost portfolio is instantly worth millions. But that wealth is completely illiquid. If the creator tries to sell all their tokens immediately, the price crashes to 0 because there isn't enough real money in the pool to buy them out. They need a wave of outside cash. They need an audience. This is where the marketing machine kicks into overdrive. The creator takes a portion of their initial capital and contacts a network of crypto influencers, Telegram group admins, and Twitter personalities. These influencers don't care about the technology. They operate on a pure pay-for-play model. The creator offers them a deal. I will pay you $2,000 upfront, plus 5 million moon coins, if you make 3 videos telling your followers that this is the next 100x gem. The influencer looks at their feed, makes a highly energetic video with a thumbnail showing their face wide open in shock, and says, "This is a secret project, backed by major institutional players. Get in early, before the whales find out." The viewers, ordinary students, retail workers, and young guys looking for a break, trust the influencer. They see the chart ticking up because the influencer's inner circle bought in early. A wave of greed washes over the community. Hundreds of thousands of dollars of real user capital begin flooding into the liquidity pool as regular people buy up the token. As demand skyrockets against the fixed pool, the price chart goes parabolic. The community Discord group is filled with rocket emojis. Everyone feels like a genius. While the regular investors are congratulating each other on their paper gains, the creator and the paid influencers are watching a completely different metric: the total volume of real cash sitting in the decentralized exchange pool. This leads directly to the execution phase. The rug pull. The price has hit its peak. The hype is maximum. This is the exact moment the creator executes a coordinated dump. Because they secretly hold the vast majority of the token supply across multiple anonymous developer wallets, they begin selling off their massive stakes in blocks. They extract the real cash out of the liquidity pool, replacing it with their worthless self-printed tokens. The chart doesn't just dip, it drops off a vertical cliff, plunging 99.9% in a matter of minutes. Regular investors wake up, open their wallets, and realize their $2,000 investment is now worth $1.40. They panic post in the Telegram chat, asking what happened. The creator posts a pre-written message. "We faced an exploit. The market conditions are tough. We are working on a fix." A few hours later, the social media accounts are deleted, the website goes dark, and the creators vanish into the anonymity of the internet with millions of dollars in untraceable capital. But what about the crypto bros who aren't running explicit scams? The ones who genuinely try to day trade and show off their multi-million-dollar portfolios? Why do almost all of them eventually crash and burn? It comes down to a structural misunderstanding of the difference between bull market luck and actual trading skill. During a massive crypto bull run, a rising tide lifts all boats. When the entire market is surging, you can throw a dart at a board of random coins, buy whatever it hits, and make money. It is incredibly easy to look like a financial prodigy when everything is going up. The crypto bro mistakes a macroeconomic wave for personal genius. They start taking on massive leverage, borrowing money to multiply their bets, and bragging about their win streaks. But markets are cyclical. The moment the liquidity drains out of the global economy and the bear market hits, leverage becomes a weapon of mass financial destruction. Because these day traders rely on hype rather than fundamental value, their volatile assets drop 80% overnight. If you are trading with 10x leverage, and 10% drop in asset price completely liquidates your entire account, wiping out years of profits in a single afternoon. The institutional data from crypto exchanges reveals a brutal statistic. Over 95% of retail day traders lose their entire capital base within the first 12 months. The only people consistently making money are the exchanges charging the transaction fees and the founders printing the tokens. The ultimate takeaway is that the wealth displayed by the online crypto community is a game of smoke and mirrors designed to exploit your impatience. True financial freedom is never built on a foundation of digital lottery tickets. If you want to beat the system, you have to refuse to play their high-stakes casino games. Instead of chasing a 100x hype token controlled by an anonymous developer, put your capital into assets that actually produce real-world economic value companies that manufacture products, software platforms that solve enterprise problems, or index funds that hold the real infrastructure of the global economy. It is slower, it is more boring, and it won't give you a shot of dopamine every 5 minutes. But it is mathematically proven to compound over time without the risk of waking up to find your entire net worth has vanished into a digital black hole. Stop being the exit liquidity for a 20-something guru. Build a financial fortress based on data, protect your downside, and grow wealth that actually belongs to you. If this deep dive into the real mechanics of the crypto bro culture gave you a reality check, press that subscribe button, leave a comment below with the craziest token project you've seen blow up, and I'll catch you in the next video.